In this video, I'll show you how to enable camera and microphone access on Facebook Messenger using your laptop. First, open Facebook Messenger in your browser. Once you're there, look at the top right corner and click on the three dots next to your profile picture. From the menu, select Settings. On the left-hand side, click on Privacy and Security, then choose Site Settings. Scroll down to the Permissions section and click on Camera. Make sure the option Sites can ask to use your camera is turned on. Then check the list of blocked sites. If Facebook Messenger appears there, remove it. Next, go back and select Microphone. Again, ensure that Sites can ask to use your microphone is enabled. Scroll down and confirm that Facebook Messenger is not listed under blocked sites. Once you've done that, return to Messenger. Try starting a video call by clicking the camera icon. A pop-up will appear asking for permission. Just click Allow. And that's it. Your camera and microphone should now be working properly on Facebook Messenger. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and tap the bell icon for future updates. Thanks for watching.